for small to medium plots. Single-person operation for spraying and spreading. Easy takeoff. This is the DJI Agras T25P. Retaining its foldable design, the lightweight airframe is easy to transport, ensuring safe takeoff and landing even in complex environments. Carrying a 20-liter spraying payload and dual-atomization centrifugal sprinklers, achieving a max flow rate of 16 liters per minute. The T25P's night vision color FPV camera introduces a virtual gimbal, utilizing electronic stabilization algorithm to achieve electronic anti-shake, resulting in smoother footage. Equipped with field mapping, it generates HD maps via remote controller, intelligently identifies field boundaries and obstacles. An additional pair of centrifugal sprinklers can be added, increasing the flow rate to 24 liters per minute. And operations are streamlined into 2 simple steps. Outline the field and launch with one touch. No intervention needed. Both beginners and experienced pilots can operate it effortlessly. Partner.